representation of direct reflection on a statement. Give examples. So here is some statements. First is हिलो मत बोलो मत सोचो मत. Here is 4 example. So first one is one day when I was doing science question and answer of chapter 4 of chapter 3. So there I use this sentence because on that time I don't know the answer, and I was not able to solve because I don't understand. There I use this sentence. And second, one day on Monday when I was doing test of Sainik School of Classes first time, when that book came first time, and I started to do that. There I don't understand one question, and there I use this sentence. So for the do focus. And when I was reading book, there I use this sentence. When I was reading book means on that time in second time when I was reading book with that word meaning which I have wrote it in my word meaning notebook. And fourth is when I was doing science classes of class 7 about electricity of chapter 3. There I was not able to understand. There I use this sentence because I was watching from maybe 1 week from 2 week. So in second week I use this. And clarity, conviction and confidence. So this model I did not apply this. I don't have any example. And unique. So unique is not means not everyone is different. So here is 3 example. First is when I went for cut the tree with Kartik Bhaiya like yesterday, and Gopal before yesterday also, and with Gopal Bhaiya. There I think about this because Kartik Bhaiya everyone have their different strength for cutting the tree and for everything physical. Everyone have their different physical strength. And second is I do not compare when I was giving answer of any question. And third is when I did my TIC 13 hours. There I think about this because in the afternoon time in the afternoon time when Gopal is not here, he is also not doing the 13 hour time center. And in the evening time learner Kartik and learner Gopal both are not there. There I did not think about this. Okay, if they are not there, so why I will do 13 hour like this means there I use this word. यही समय सही समय there will be अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. So there is for this I have 2 example. One day when I did English speaking classes with ma'am's mother, there I think about this because I was just postponed. I was just in 1 week in the starting of June. So there is I think on 1 June ma'am said to join the classes, but I was just postponed, and that week I did not join. So in second week learner Gopal chose Thursday, and on that time I just want somebody to before me, but there on Tuesday I thought no, I will do now because I will take first step. I will see what will happen. Means there I use this sentence. And in second, in starting in this model, when I started to wake up 5 am, there I think about this sentence because every day I wake up at 5 o'clock after 5 o'clock, but now I wake up at before 5 o'clock, and till 5 o'clock I am in the center every day. Sometimes it become 5, 6 o'clock, 5, 7 o'clock, 5, 8, 5, sometimes 5, 12 o'clock. It happened sometimes, but most of the times I am present till 5 o'clock in the center. And here is क्षमा शोभती उस पूजा को जिसके पास गरल हो, उसको क्या जो दल तीन विषय विनित सरल हो. So forgiveness suits, that meaning is forgiveness suits only those people who are powerful, just as the power of a poisonous snake is its destiny. So I don't have any practical example of this. And this time is the most precious commodity on this earth. So time is precious, so we have to utilize properly. So here is 3 example. Every day when my time in center not happen 13 hours because I spend more time in the house. There in the evening time when I was doing my review and when I count my time in center, there I think about this. And in the second, when any day I did not do math solve in the afternoon time, I have to do math solve in the afternoon time, that as per my plan. But if I am not doing in the afternoon time math solve, then in the evening I think about this. Means in the evening I think when I was doing my review, and that time I think about this. I should have to do math solve in the afternoon time. And third example is when I slept in the center in the morning. So because of this, I became lazy for whole day. On that, so another day, means I feel guilty about this, and I thought, and then I thought about this, about time. And here is 0.47. So do work without taking stress, without think about result. So here is 5 example. First is when I went for cutting tree in learning ground 1. There I think about this sentence, because there I did not think I will cut, I can cut or not. And second example is when I was playing Monopoly with Gopal Bhaiya. There I use this because there I did not think about it, who will win or who will not. And third is when I was digging hole for making cricket pitch in this. There I thought about this, because when I take tools to digging the hole in the learning garden, there I think it will happen, or it means I choose for I will do 2 holes or 3 holes, but I just choose it. But I did not think it will happen. I think it will happen or it cannot be also. And fourth example is every Monday when I was doing test, there I use this sentence. And fifth example, one day when the electric board is dark and Wi-Fi was not working, there I use another board, and there I thought about this, because I used another board, but maybe it will not work or maybe it will work. But there I just do work without thinking. And here is मैं मेरा मन, body and 5 senses. So this model I don't have any practical example of this sentence. And here is Shivom. This is a prayer. This is related with real nature, and I don't have any practical example. And this is also Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. This is also about real nature, and for this also I don't have any practical example. Now this presentation isn't here.